How to end joint pain naturally. The essential steps to rebuild cartilage and overcome arthritis. Joint pain can be debilitating. It affects how we walk, work, and enjoy life. But what if I told you there's a way to rebuild cartilage and overcome arthritis naturally? I'm Alan Warnitz, a nutrition expert, and today I'll guide you through the essential steps to end joint pain without relying on long-term medications. Your joints, whether in your knees, your back, your elbows, or hips, rely on cartilage for smooth, pain-free movement. Cartilage prevents bone-on-bone friction, which is not only painful, but also leads to swelling and inflammation. Injuries, aging, or poor nutrition can damage this cartilage, making the pain worse over time. So, how can we rebuild cartilage and stop the pain cycle? Let's break it down. First, your body needs lysine and proline, which are two key amino acids that is found in protein-rich foods like meat, fish, eggs, and even plant-based sources for vegetarians. These amino acids form collagen, the building block of cartilage. But collagen can't form without vitamin C, a vital catalyst for the process. Together, lysine, proline, and vitamin C enable your body to rebuild the cartilage naturally. Next, you'll need nutrients like glucosamine, chondroitin, and MSM. These act as the foundation for cartilage repair. They are found in some foods, but are also available as supplements for added support. Inflammation is the silent culprit that destroys cartilage over time. Reducing inflammation is critical, and this is where vitamin B5, B-complex, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants like glutathione play a role. Together, they help your body clear the debris caused by injury and prevent further damage. Another one is calcium deposits. They can worsen joint pain, leading to arthritis. Vitamin K2 helps remove this misplaced calcium, preventing calcification of the cartilage. And if you suffer from gout or uric acid buildup, adding vitamin B5 can dissolve uric acid crystals, relieving pain almost instantly. For instant relief, there are natural pain patches, but for long-term results, it's about rebuilding cartilage, reducing inflammation, and optimizing your nutrition. By addressing these root causes, you can regain mobility, eliminate pain, and prevent further joint damage. But here's something you may not know. Recent advancements in science have uncovered a fascinating molecule called the copper peptide, the GHK-Cu, which plays a key role in tissue repair and joint regeneration. Copper peptide is a naturally occurring peptide in your body that helps stimulate the production of new collagen, elastin, and glycosaminoglycans, the very building blocks your joints need to repair cartilage and reduce inflammation. It also activates stem cells, which are crucial for rebuilding damaged tissue and reversing joint degeneration. Now, copper peptide can be found in topical creams and serums available on the market. However, these often face challenges such as inconsistent absorption through the skin, which limits their effectiveness. Another option is infrared light therapy, which uses specific wavelengths of light to stimulate the body's natural production of copper peptide. While this is a promising method, it can be costly, requires professional guidance, and demands regular sessions to achieve noticeable results. Here's the exciting part. There's cutting-edge technology emerging that allows you to elevate your copper peptide levels in a non-invasive, simple, and effective way, without the challenges of creams or expensive devices. Imagine being able to harness the benefits of this breakthrough technology to regenerate your joints and enjoy a pain-free mobility. Are you curious to learn more? Let's explore how this revolutionary approach could transform your joint health. Book your free 30-minute consultation today, and I'll personally guide you through the best options for rebuilding cartilage, relieving pain, and elevating your copper peptide levels naturally. The link to book your free 30-minute consult is in the description below. And remember to subscribe to my channel for more health and nutrition tips. Your journey to pain-free living starts now. Don't wait. Take the first step today.